how much do you read people when you're pulling up, when you're working the plan, when the entire list is laid out? How much effort and then decision making on the fly do you do when you're reading?
Yeah, man. So you're constantly, I talk about in those tactical protection reviews, like that you're always kind of doing these ABCs and 1, 2, 3s of protection, right? So context, where am I going? What level of threat, should I really be perceived to be at? What's the risk associated with that? So am I like green, yellow, or red? Tactical positioning, what advantages do I take from where I'm at in this world right now, in my environment? And then rolling risk assessment. So the surveillance, the counter surveillance, and making those assessments, that risk assessment is happening all the time. But it changes, like if I have 2 agents, if I have 1 agent curbside, then I'm going to trust a little bit more than where he's standing when he gives me that signal. That's where he wants me to drop for a reason, and we're in communication. So as we're rolling up, he's like, yo, blue opal on your 3 o'clock, keep an eye on him. And he's giving me some information to help me mitigate any perceived risks. But if I'm pulling up at an FBO, I'm paying attention to everyone out there. If I'm solo, I'm 100% paying attention, and I'm more reactive, right? If I'm working with a team, they're going to be kind of addressing those risks and threats. And they can also even allow me to pay more attention to the principal, because they're kind of that layer out there that's addressing those things. Boom! So I hope you guys are enjoying the Executive Protection Essentials product. But I've got to let you know this is only the beginning. In training day, I go way deeper into every single thing we touch on in the essentials, as well as a number of additional topics. Training day is where kind of the next level of what it is we offer at the league. This is where you enter the League of Executive Protection Specialists. This is where you get access to the network, all the different agents on the platform that help you find jobs that you do your career with. This is where you get access to the ongoing meetings that I'm having, Zoom meetings, mentoring, contributing to each other twice per month. So, you pay, get in, and then twice per month, you're getting ongoing mentoring, and you're getting to do your career with a whole group of people. I'm building your network. I'm networking for you. It's amazing. And then obviously upgrading into any of the on-ground curriculum we have. We have a number of amazing courses, everything from hard skills intensives to immersion courses, medical, driving, all the stuff that it will take for you to be recognized as a specialist in the executive protection industry, become an executive protection specialist, and get the industry to react to you and bring opportunities to you, as well as we give you the relationships you'll need to have a meaningful and successful career in this industry, specifically crafted for you guys to win, succeed, and for us all to win and succeed together. So if you're enjoying this product, upgrade, and let's do more together. Let's get in each other's lives. Let's achieve success in the private security industry together.